Uh, In a last lecture, we we have discussed some star fam, salt family. तो salt family में हमने देखा कि ये कितने सॉल्ट कहाँ कौन से एसिड और बेस से बने हैं, राइट? नाउ वी आर डिस्कसिंग अबाउट सम इंडिविजुअल सॉल्ट्स. फर्स्ट वन इज सोडियम हाइड्रोक्साइड. The sodium hydroxide its chemical formula is NaOH. It is also called caustic soda. Here, it is also here the preparation of sodium hydroxide is called the chloralkali process. It means chlorine and alkali are obtained simultaneously by this process. A diagram is on the page textbook page number 30. If you have a new book, you have to see the diagram at the page of 30. I have old book, so I have this type of diagram, but in a new book the diagram is some little bit different. Now, preparation chloralkali process. When an aqueous solution of sodium chloride or it is called brine is electrolyzed, chlorine gas is liberated at anode and hydrogen gas at cathode. When electric current is passed through the aqueous solution of sodium chloride the aqueous solution, and it is saturated solution. So the electric current is passed through this solution, we get sodium hydroxide and chlorine. If I have a diagram, okay, now I don't have any new diagram here. Okay, now the reaction is just like this: sodium chloride and water. It is the solution of sodium chloride. When electric current is passed, electrolysis. So electrolysis means electric current is passed through this solution. So sodium hydroxide and chlorine gas with along with hydrogen gas are obtained. In this diagram, I have old diagram, but here is the function of the uses of this hydrogen fuels, margarine, ammonia for fertilizers, chlorine gas, the water treatment, swimming pool, PVC, disinfectants, chlorofluorocarbons, pesticide. The preparation of this material, the chlorine is used, and the uses of sodium hydroxide to disgreasing metals, soaps and detergents, paper making, artificial fiber. From NaOH and Cl2, the reaction between sodium hydroxide and chlorine gas, we obtain bleach, the bleaching powder, household bleachers, household bleaches and bleaching fabric. And from hydrogen and chlorine, the hydrochloric acid for cleaning steel, ammonium chloride, medicine, cosmetic. The preparation of this material for the preparation of this material, hydrochloric acid obtained from hydrogen and chlorine is used. So you have also in new diagram the uses of products obtained by this process is given in the diagram. So in a new diagram, the uses of these three products are also displayed. So it is on the page number 30 in your new textbook. Now another salt is bleaching powder. Bleaching powder. Chemical name of bleaching powder is calcium oxychloride and the formula is CaOCl2. The preparation. It is prepared by the action of chlorine on dry slack lime. Chlorine plus calcium hydroxide. When the chemical reaction between chlorine and calcium hydroxide, it means slack lime. We passed over hot slack lime, chlorine gas. Calcium oxychloride is obtained along with water vapor. So calcium oxychloride uses for bleaching wood pulp. Paper industries. In paper industry, for bleaching wood pulp. Bleaching means to whitening the material. So we have a notebook and paper of the notebook is white. So this wood pulp as a whitener, bleaching powder is added. For washing clothes in laundry, for bleaching cotton and linen in textile industry, as an oxidizing agent in chemical industry. So several chemical is obtained by some oxidizing agent. So uses of oxidizing agent, some chemical preparations should be occurred. For disinfecting drinking water to make water germ free. So bleaching powder is used to disinfectant as a disinfectant of drinking water. So to germ free the water, bleaching powder is used. Now another salt is baking soda. The sodium hydrogen carbonate is the chemical formula and the sodium NaHCO3 is the sodium hydrogen carbonate chemical name and sodium hydrogen carbonate is the chemical formula. It is also known as soda bicarb या तो sodium bicarbonate. Preparation. When carbon dioxide gas is passed through an aqueous solution of sodium chloride. Sodium chloride means simple common salt and further saturated with ammonia. So, saturated solution of sodium chloride along with ammonia gas pass through it, and when carbon dioxide gas is passed through this material, mixer, it forms baking soda. So NaCl plus H2O. It is the saturated solution, and ammonia is passed through this solution, and after then carbon dioxide is passed. So ammonium chloride and sodium hydrogen carbonate is obtained. This is the first preparation. And the second preparation, by passing more carbon dioxide in an aqueous solution of sodium carbonate. Sodium carbonate washing soda. So from more carbon dioxide passes through washing soda, the solution of washing soda, we obtain sodium hydrogen carbonate. This is the white precipitates. Na2CO3 plus H2O is white precipitate, and carbon dioxide is passed. This white precipitate is dissolved, and after drying it, we obtain sodium hydrogen carbonate. Sodium hydrogen carbonate is also called sodium bicarbonate, and it is a mild corrosive basic salt. It is a basic salt, but it is corrosive also. It is heated during cooking food, sodium carbonate is formed. When it is heated, because it is baking soda, so baking soda is using in cooking. So when it is heated, sodium carbonate is formed, carbon dioxide and water vapor are also produced. To make baking powder, so baking soda is the other thing, and baking powder is other thing. So baking powder is the baking soda plus tartaric acid. So baking soda plus tartaric acid in combined form, it is called the baking powder. To make bread, cake and pakoda soft and spongy, this reaction is occurred. As an antacid, we use ENO when indigestion takes place. So it is also act as a antacid. In soda acid fire extinguishers, as a disinfectant, and as a reagent in laboratory. Now, washing soda. The sodium carbonate decahydrate. The full chemical name of washing soda is sodium carbonate. Uh, we just say washing soda is sodium carbonate. It is not true, but in our day-to-day life, it is used as a washing sodium carbonate. But its full name is what? Sodium carbonate decahydrate. Na2CO3 10H2. 10 means deca. 2 means by. Preparation. Baking soda is heated. Sodium carbonate is formed. When baking soda heated, we have discussed above reaction also. So we have sodium carbonate plus water plus carbon dioxide. And if this anhydrous sodium carbonate, anhydrous sodium carbonate, because water is in the vapor form, is goes out from the vessel, so Na2CO3, to sodium carbonate is dehydrate. So water is absent in Na2CO3, but if we recrystallize this sodium carbonate, we get washing soda Na2CO3 10H2O, sodium carbonate decahydrate. The washing soda is a salt of basic nature. The washing soda is a basic salt. Now uses. It is useful in the manufacture of glass, soap, and some sodium compounds like borax. So we use the borax is used in the preparation of borosilicate glass. It is the most tough glass, which is used in chemical laboratories as a beaker, tuburate, pipette, etc. As a cleansing agent for domestic purposes. To remove permanent hardness of water, we use soap. In a paper industries, in textile industries, as a reagent in laboratory. Now we have activity 3 or 2.15. So this is the activity 2.15. The title is, are the crystals of salt really dry? Here is the specimen is given copper sulfate crystals. The copper sulfate crystal is blue in color. Now in a dry test tube, some copper sulfate crystal is taken and heat slowly. Initially, copper sulfate crystals are blue in color, but when it is heated, they turn white or colorless. You can also write colorless. Or on heating copper sulfate crystals, water molecules are removed from the crystals and appear in the boiling tube. Boiling tube means test tube, in the form of water droplets around its inner wall. If we add 2-3 drops of water in the white crystals of dehydrated copper sulfate, now if we heated this copper sulfate crystal, the water is removed, then it is called anhydrous copper sulfate or dehydrated copper sulfate. So this crystal of dehydrated copper sulfate, the blue color is reappear again if we add 2-3 drops of water in the test tube. Again, recrystallization of dry copper sulfate takes place, and again its color reappear again. So water is present in the dry copper sulfate crystals known as water of crystallization. This crystal have some amount of water. It is called the water of crystallization. So its real formula is copper sulfate 5H2O. Pentahydrate. copper sulfate pentahydrate. So it is pronounced as copper sulfate pentahydrate. But the in day to day life we use as a copper sulfate only. Now, plaster of Paris preparation. When gypsum is heated at 373 Kelvin, 100, it means 100 degrees Celsius carefully, it loses water molecules and forms plaster of Paris. So gypsum is the calcium, raw calcium sulfate. When 373 Kelvin carefully heated, it is turned into plaster of Paris. The plaster of Paris is shortly called POP. So CaSO4 2H2 is the gypsum. The calcium sulfate dihydrate, it is the raw ore of calcium, and when it is heated, it makes CaSO4 2CaSO4H2O plus 3H2O. So calcium sulfate hemihydrate, its chemical name is calcium sulfate hemihydrate, it is called POP. Or this formula is also written as CaSO4 2H2, it is gypsum, 373 Kelvin, CaSO4 half H2O plus 1 and 1 half H2O. 1 integer, 1 half H2O. It means 3 by 2 H2O. So 2 CaSO4H2O, it means one molecule or a 2 molecule of calcium sulfate is attached with 1 molecule of water. So in plaster of Paris, 1 molecule of water is attached with 2 molecules of copper sulfate or calcium sulfate, or 2, or or it is also written as 2 calcium plus 2 and 2 sulfate minus 2 ions, because calcium sulfate is formed from Ca plus 2 and SO4 minus 2, which is discussed in a very first lecture by in this year. This white powder, on mixing with water, it changes to hard solid mass gypsum. If we add some water to this POP, it's again changes to hard solid mass. So CaSO4 half H2O, again it regain 1 and half H2O, so it forms gypsum again, and gypsum is a hard substance. Now uses in plastering the walls in construction, for setting fractured bones in the right position, to make a cast of denture, to make idols, to make chalk stick, to make the apparatus airtight in laboratory. And this is the end of the chapter, and you have to do this homework in text question on page number 33, exercise 34 and 35 page number, or and these some important questions. Here the chapter is over. Okay, thank you.